When dealing with straight lines, you may need to measure the steepness or direction of the line. To do this, we use a concept called slope of the line, and that's the topic of this video. This is Tejesh Kalki from 2Pi Academy. Now let's get started. Before talking about the slope of a line, we will see what inclination of a line is. The inclination of a line tells how inclined the line is with respect to the x-axis, that is, the angle it makes with the x-axis. But if you observe carefully, the line makes two angles with the x-axis, and these angles are supplementary, that is, their sum will be equal to 180 degrees. Here, the inclination of the line refers to the angle made with the positive direction of the x-axis, that is, to the right-hand side of the line. So the inclination of a line can be defined as the angle made by the line with the positive direction of the x-axis and measured in anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise because we need the angle above the x-axis. The inclination of a line is denoted by theta, and theta will be in between 0 and 180 degrees. For a horizontal line, that is, a line parallel to or coinciding with the x-axis, the inclination will be equal to 0 degrees. And for a vertical line, that is, a line parallel to or coinciding with the y-axis, the inclination will be equal to 90 degrees. Now let's see what is meant by the slope of a line. This is also called as gradient of a line. If theta is the inclination of a line L, then tan theta is called the slope or gradient of a line. It is denoted by m. Therefore, we can say that m is equal to tan of theta. For example, let's say theta is equal to 0 degrees. Then tan theta, that is m, is equal to tan of 0, which is nothing but 0. Similarly, if theta is equal to 90 degrees, then m is equal to tan 90, which is not defined. So therefore, the slope of a vertical line is not defined. We will now see some example problems. A line makes 45 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. What is its slope? We know that m is equal to tan of theta, which is tan 45, which is nothing but 1. So therefore, the slope of the line is equal to 1. We will now see the second problem. A line makes 60 degrees with the negative direction of the x-axis. Find its slope. Here, if you observe carefully, they have given the angle made with the negative direction of the x-axis. But we normally want the positive direction of the x-axis. So therefore, we have to calculate it. We know that a line makes two angles with x-axis, and these two angles are supplementary. That is, their sum will be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, our required angle, that is the angle with the positive direction of the x-axis, will be equal to 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degrees. So now the slope m will be equal to tan of 120. Tan of 120 can be written as tan of 180 minus 60. And we know that tan 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So therefore we get minus tan 60 degrees, which is equal to minus root 3. So therefore the slope of the line is equal to minus root 3. This is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and comment on the video. And to not miss any such future videos, subscribe to the channel.